everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to capture leads from Instagram ads and add them to Salesforce. So as a business owner, I capture leads from Instagram lead ads and automatically add those leads to the Salesforce. So here my objective is, as soon as a new lead is received over Instagram lead ads, a new lead should be created to the Salesforce. So for building this connection between Instagram lead ads and Salesforce, I am going to use a software that is Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration platform. So if you also want to build this automation, then let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how you can add new leads from the Instagram lead ads to the Salesforce. So for that, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration tool, which will integrate these both applications, that is Instagram lead ads and the Salesforce. So here I want to create new lead over the Salesforce as a new lead is created over the Instagram lead ads. So now let's build this automation. Before we dive into the step-by-step setup, let me quickly show you the automation I have already created. Right here I am having lead ads testing tools where I am going to create a new lead over the Facebook. And you might be thinking why I'm using Facebook in spite of Instagram lead ads. So here I am going to use the Facebook account which is connected to my Instagram account. So here you can see this is the Facebook account which is connected to my Instagram account, and here I am going to use this digital dynamics page. So now let's select digital dynamics page over here on the lead ads testing tool. So now let's search for the digital dynamics page, and here you can see we have got this page. Now let's select the form over here. So here I am going to use the form that is digital dynamics lead form, which is created under the page that is digital dynamics. So here I have selected my page and the form. Now firstly I am going to delete my previous lead. So for that you just have to click over this delete lead, and I am deleting this lead because I can create only one lead per form, and here you can see my lead has been deleted. Now you just have to click over this preview form button and you will get your digital dynamics lead form, and here I am going to create my new lead. So now let's enter these details, that is first name, last name, email and phone number, and create our new lead over the Instagram lead ads. So here in my digital dynamics lead form, I have created the first name, that is first, last name is user, and the email is first@pabblytudes.com, and I have also provided the phone number over here. Now you just have to click over this continue button, and after that again you have to click over the submit button, and here you can see our form is successfully submitted. Now let's move on to the Salesforce and check whether we have received these details over there as the new lead or not. So here you can see this is the dashboard page of Salesforce, and here on this leads page you can see we are receiving the recent item, and I have created my lead that is first user. So here you can see this is the lead which we have recently created named as first user, and you can also see the phone number which we have provided over the lead ads form, and the email that is first@pabblytudes.com. So you can see I have successfully created an automation, and now I am going to show you the step-by-step process of how you can build this automation on your own. For that you just have to use Pabbly Connect. Now for using the Pabbly Connect, you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is www.pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user you can click on sign in. But before moving on forward, I am going to tell you about an amazing platform of Pabbly, that is Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is the platform where automation users, business owners and marketers gathers to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant updates regarding using the Pabbly application. So you can also join Pabbly Community and share your workflows and ask questions. So join Pabbly Community now and grow your business with us. And if you wish to join the Pabbly Community, you can find the link in the description given below. Now let's move on to a Pabbly Connect, and here I am going to just click over this sign in button as I have already an account on Pabbly, and as you will finish the sign up you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see we are getting some of the products provided by Pabbly, and as we are going to build the integration we will be using Pabbly Connect, which can can integrate different applications with each other and will start automating your work. Now for accessing the Pabbly Connect, you just have to click on Access Now button, and as you will click on Access Now, you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect. So here you can see this is the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, and these are the workflows I have created. Now I am going to show you how you can create your own workflow from scratch. For that, you just have to click on the Create Workflow button, but if you want to create your own folder, you can click over this Create a New Folder button and create your own folder where you want to create your own workflow. Now I am going to click over this Create Workflow button, and as you will click on this Create Workflow button, you will get the option for selecting the workflow builder. So here you can see we are getting two workflow builder, that is new workflow builder which is modern, fast and more flexible, named as Beta, and another workflow builder is Classic, which will provide you a stable and familiar approach. And here I am going to use my newly launched workflow builder, that is Beta. So for that, you just have to click over the Select button and you will get a dialog box where you have to provide a name to a workflow. So now let's provide a name to a workflow here. So here I have provided the workflow name as New Leads to Salesforce from Instagram Lead Ads, and now further we are getting the option for selecting the folder. So if you want to create your workflow in any another folder, you can select folder from here, but I am going to keep it as the same, that is home folder. Now you just have to click over this Create button, and here you can see we are getting this pop-up that is workflow created successfully, and we are successfully landed to a workflow page. And now on this workflow page, it is asking me to add the trigger. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is basically the application which is going to initiate your workflow, and I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over the Instagram Lead Ads. So for that, I am going to select the trigger app as Instagram Lead Ads. So now let's click over this Add Trigger button, and here you can see we are landed to the trigger setup page. Now here I am going to search for the Instagram Lead Ads, and here you can see we are getting this option. So now let's select it over here, and now we are getting the option for app event. So app event is basically the work which is going to initiate your workflow over the trigger app. So here I want to initiate my workflow as soon as an instant lead is received over the Instagram Lead Ad. So let's select it, and now we just have to click over this Connect button for making the connection between the Instagram Lead Ads and Pabbly Connect. And here if you have already an existing connection, you can use select existing connection, but if you want to build a new connection, you can simply click over this Add New Connection button, and here you have to click over this Connect with Instagram Lead Ad. And here you can see my Facebook account that is named as Jessie is appeared. So this is the account which is connected with my Instagram. So I am using this account over here. Now you just have to click over this button that is Continue as Jessie, or whatever your Facebook account is. And here we have successfully created the connection. And as we have created the connection, I am getting some of the fields that is for the page and the lead gen form. So I have already told you that I am going to use this digital dynamics form which I have created over my Facebook account. So now let's select it over here. So here I have selected my page, and now I am going to select the digital dynamics lead form which I have created under this page. So here I am getting this digital dynamics lead form, so I have selected it, and I am selecting only this digital dynamics lead form because I want to receive the details provided over this form only. But if you want to take the responses of all the forms created over this page, you can use all lead gen forms over here. So here I have selected my form also. Now you just have to click over the Save and Send Test Request button, and here you can see it is waiting for the webhook response. Now for providing the response, we have to do a test submission. Now for doing a test submission, you just have to move to your Meta for Developers page. So you can observe that I have landed to my Meta for Developers page, and on this Meta for Developers page, I am going to just click over this resources, and on this resources you can see we are getting the option for developer tools. So you just have to select it over here, and you will be landed to the developers tools page. And after that, you just have to select this lead ads RTU debug tool for getting the lead ads testing tool where you can do the test submission. So after selecting lead ads RTU debug tool, I have landed to my lead ad testing tool page, and on this page you can submit your form. So here we are getting the option for selecting the page. So I am going to select my page, that is digital dynamics. Now further we are getting the option for selecting the form. So I am going to select my digital dynamics lead form. So just select it over here, and after that I am going to delete my previous lead as I can create only one lead per form. So now let's firstly delete our previous lead over here. And here you can see my lead has been deleted. Now you just have to click over this preview form button and you will be landed to your form. Now I am going to fill these details over here for providing a test submission. So here I have filled the form providing the first name as first, last name as test and the email as firsttest@pabblytudes.com, and I have provided the phone number also. Now you just have to click over this continue button and after that you just have to click over the submit button. And here our form is successfully submitted. Now let's move on to our Pabbly Connect and check whether we have received the response or not. So here you can see we are successfully getting the response, that is response A. And here you can see this is the response which we are getting, where we have provided the first name as first, last name as test and the email as firsttest@pabblytudes.com. So here we are done with our trigger setup. Now we just have to set up our action. For that you just have to make a right click over the Instagram lead ads, and after that you can see we are getting the option for add action step. So select it over here and we are landed to the action setup page. Now here we have to select our action app. So action app is basically the app where we want to perform the actions, but in our case I am going to create the lead over the Salesforce. So I am going to select the action app as Salesforce. So here as I have searched for the Salesforce, I am getting this Salesforce app. So now let's select it over here, and after that it is asking me to select the app event. So app event is basically the work which we are going to perform over this app, and I am going to create a lead over this app. So I will be choosing this create lead app event over here. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and now we have to build the connection between Pabbly Connect and Salesforce. So if you are having an existing connection with the Salesforce, you can use select existing connection over here, but I'm going to create a new connection. So for that you just have to use this add new connection, and after that you just have to click over this connect with Salesforce and you will be landed to a page where you have to allow the access. Now we just have to allow this and you have to log in your Salesforce account before allowing the access. And here we have successfully created the connection, and after creating the connection I am getting some of the fields. So I am going to map these fields over here. So you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping basically makes the field dynamic, means you don't have to enter your data again and again. The data will be replaced automatically with the new responses received. So here I am going to take the responses from the Instagram lead ads which I have recently filled over the form. So I am going to map the first name from the data. So now let's select this Instagram lead ads over here, and here we are getting the first name, that is first. So let's select it over here. Now I am going to map the last name, which is a compulsory field. So now let's map it over here. So here I am going to map the test, that is the last name, and after that it is compulsory for entering the company name. So as in my form I have not entered the company name, so I am going to enter it manually. So here I have entered the company name as XYZ company, and after that I am going to map my phone number which I have provided while test submission. Now I have mapped the phone number also. Now I am going to map the email address over here. So I have mapped my email address also. Now you just have to click over the save and send test request and check whether we are receiving the response or not. And here you can see we are successfully receiving the response. Now let's move on to our Salesforce account and check whether we are receiving this detail as the new lead over there or not. And here you can see in the recent items I am getting my first test lead. Now you just have to select it, and here you can see our lead has been successfully created, name as first test, phone number which we have provided while submission, and the email, that is firsttest@pabblytudes.com. So that's how you build a simple automation with Pabbly Connect. So here you have learned how to create a new lead over the Salesforce from the Instagram lead ads, and we have successfully integrated these both applications. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more tutorials, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing automations like this. Thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.